So we're going to trade this match with QPR against Coventry from the Championship. We're going to trade the correct score market, and we're going to use AI to help us trade it. So head to the football trading Genie. We're going to press correct score trading strategy, and we're going to let the AI pick out our target score formula. Also tell us who we should be favouring, which I would expect is going to be Coventry. And it is Coventry, so there's no huge surprise here. But we're covering the nil-nil, which is always an interesting one. So anyway, let's get set up. So following the AI on this one, we're covering that nil-nil. Clearly the AI thinks we should be having some cover on that nil-nil. So anyway, that's the setup. Nil-nil, nil-2, then 1-1, 1-2, 1-3. It's all kind of favoured in favour of Coventry. Let's see how it goes in play. So half-time, it's QPR 0, Coventry 0. So we can actually see why it was well worth having the just having that nil-nil covered. But anyway, anticipating there will be goals in the second half on this one, so we're going to lay off and leverage the green that we have on the nil-nil to at least get the loss down, because we don't have anything on the 1-0 or 0-1. Okay, 1-0 to QPR, 1-0 to Coventry. So we don't really want to end up in a position where goal goes in, suddenly we're on a red score and we don't have any space to move. So we're going to get rid of some of the risk on this one, as you're seeing. It's getting taken now, and that will mean that if it does go onto a 1-0 or a 0-1, yep, we're going to be on a red score, but at least we've got our liability down somewhat. So it's only a -46 on 1-0 and 0-1, and then we got good green. The green has now been increased on those scores. The 0-2 to Coventry, the 1-1 also. So anyway, let's see what happens. It's 0-0 at half time. 54 minutes, and we finally got the breakthrough in this one. QPR 0, Coventry 1. That's very good news for us. Keeps all of our green scores alive. We've also lowered that risk down to £46. There's also a profit available to take if we did want it. Anyway, look, I've looked at the data for this one, and well, I haven't updated the score. Let's update the score. And it's quite interesting. I mean, Coventry are ahead, but they're behind on the XG. Projected match result is still a draw. Now, at this stage, do we want to be aggressive to go against this 1-0 to Coventry? Probably don't need to. Next goal puts us on a green score no matter what, whether it's the 1-1 or the 0-2. And the data is not really screaming that there's going to be more goals in this one, so it's another reason not to be too aggressive. So I don't see any need to make a move right here. We'll let this one roll out and look for that second goal. That second goal is going to put us on a green score, and then we can assess from there. If we don't get that second goal, at least we've minimised our potential loss on it. It's QPR 0, Coventry 1, 55 minutes. 67 minutes, we've had another goal in this one. Not the biggest surprise that it's gone to QPR. So we're on the 1-1, as we can see. We do not have 2-1 to QPR covered, and we want to at least put ourselves in a position where if QPR do score, then we can at least break even or just make a profit on it. So we're going to lay off the green that's on the 1-1. We're going to be aggressive, looking for another goal in this one, a further goal. Ideally to Coventry, that's where most of our green is, but we're still going to make a profit if QPR were to be the team to score. So that's the situation. We've still got big potential profits sitting on the Coventry side of the book, so we're not going to give those up just yet. Let's see what happens. QPR 1, Coventry 1 on 68 minutes. 73 minutes, there's just been another goal, and it's not gone the way we really wanted it to go. It's gone to QPR. QPR 2, Coventry 1. So yes, when I did hear the goal notification, I was thinking, oh, that's it. We're on the 2-1 to Coventry. We've got 200 there. We've got 400 waiting us on the 3-1. But anyway, we've ended up with £29. So anyway, not quite the goal we wanted. However, look at the deeper meaning and understanding of the trade. We entered this trade in favour of Coventry. We've clearly got it wrong because QPR are winning late on in this 2-1, but we're still going to make a profit. Okay, not quite the type of profit we entered the trade looking for, but to think that we've called this drastically wrong, with a bit of trading, we've ended up still making a profit. That is the beauty of the correct score market. So anyway, we're done with this one. I'm not going to do anything further. I'm just going to take my £29 and maybe that will buy a round of nice cold beers or something like that. But we're out on this one. QPR 2, Coventry 1. Remember, if you like clips like this, hit that like button. If you want to see more of them, hit the like button. YouTube will send you a whole lot more. But we're out. QPR 2, Coventry 1. I hope you enjoyed checking that out, and if you did, please click the like button to support the channel and to also tell us to send more trades and more videos like this to you in the future. And by the way, I've got some good news here. After many requests, you can now purchase the XG calculator for yourself without being on a waiting list or anything like that. So if you do like the look of it, the link is in the description, and you do get lifetime access. There's no monthly subscription or anything like that. It's a one-time payment. It's lifetime access to the XG calculator. And honestly, for most of you watching, you should make your money back and much more over the course of a lifetime using a tool just like this. So as said, if you want to start trading using the XG calculator, then the link is in the description for you to grab it, and you can grab that right now. By the way, if you want to see more trades using XG, this video on the screen is going to outline the exact system to follow when looking for good football trading opportunities in the markets, and then how to execute them. And it's backed up with a ton more real life trading examples like you just saw here. So go click on that video, go grab a nice cold beer, and I'll see you in the next video.